It's time for my 4-year update with my Pontiac. I have owned this car 4 years and I'm still very happy that I bought this car. I can't no longer upload my videos to YouTube because I've been banned for the totally wrong reasons, and I have complained to the Swedish YouTube team and they never read my messages, so I don't know if I will get my YouTube channel back, and that's the reason why I made these update videos in English, so I can share them with all the people I know there. But I also have a lot of friends who own old cars on Facebook, and I will upload this to Facebook. Yeah, 4 years ago I bought this car in the south of Sweden. Yes, I have had start issues with this car last year and this year. Now it is a running and driving car again. So here is this year's story, from the winter to the autumn. Yes, I had some leaking issues here, so I'm replacing this, and now I have painted it all around, and I have made some new rubber gaskets for those there which were leaking. I had the rubber from my dad and used it for the carpet, and those are the remains of that piece. And my dad, he gave me this pencil in Easter, and he sadly passed away last year in September, so it feels great to use stuff that my dad gave me when I'm doing this work. Now it's painted. I did this 3 times. It's a lovely sunshine, but it's very cold in the wind. I am dressed up for winter season, but now finished, so I want to go home and have a cup of coffee. Now it's there in the trunk all around. I figure out that many cars used to have, when they only have this kind of rubber, they put it down on the chassis. Before I glue it, I used masking tape to check that it fits and I can close the trunk. I hope that millimeters doesn't matter. I don't know, but I was able to close it, and I hope that will work now. It's time for my every year polishing of the car, and I have neighbor support. Great. This is my restored start motor, and these are the parts, old parts from the start motor that needed to be replaced. This is the old solenoid. Those could only be found in pieces that you had to build a complete new one, but the man who owns the shop, he found this box with an old solenoid from 53. So it's an old 53 solenoid, never used, and it's there, which make this project less expensive, which I'm very thankful that he did, and I like the job so far, and now I want to check how the car will start. I got the start motor back in the car again today, and I fired it up after a half year, which was a little bit difficult at the beginning, but finally it fired up. The start motor sounds very smooth since it's been restored, but sometimes it just click in the solenoid, something else. It's just that clicking noise and no life in the start motor at all. That's an issue which concerns me, but apart from that I'm satisfied for now. Sadly, I have more start issues. I guess the main problem is here, but it could also be the solenoid from 53. I'm not sure. I hope this is the only issue, and I hope I can fix that very soon, because I would love to go cruising a little bit more often with my car. Now I can finally drive my car again after I had installed the start button under here. So I had driven this car 3 times this evening, only because I was happy to solve this problem. Thanks to support from friends and neighbors. Putting a new front seat in the car was the best for the whole car. Now people can just step in and out of my car. This car were originally not an option car, so I will need windshield washer, something I want to buy, and hopefully a power steering here. And I only have one wing guard, and that's for this right side. I want all the 3 of them. What else? I want to order wind shades for both sides of the car, so it look more classic. With this Huda emblem, it is already a option car. Some of them had a bumper guard. I don't know, maybe I put one there, maybe not, I don't know. Yes, I'm not cycling. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.